You might have seen the headlines about gold's recent price drop, but don't let that fool you. There's a lot more to this story than meets the eye. In this video, we'll uncover why investors and central banks are betting big on gold. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, gold prices recently fell by over 4%, shedding $100 in just 2 days. But gold is still up more than 17% since mid-February. This correction is actually healthy within the bullish uptrend. Many analysts see it as a chance for investors to take profits while waiting for the Federal Reserve's next move. Speaking of the Fed, everyone's eager to know their plans for interest rates. The general consensus? They'll likely hold steady through the summer and won't make any changes until after the 2024 U.S. elections. Traditionally, gold has had an inverse relationship with bond yields in the U.S. dollar. But lately, gold seems to be marching to its own beat. Despite unchanged interest rates, gold has held its ground in record territory. The main reason is inflation. Countries worldwide are grappling with rising inflation, and investors turn to gold as a hedge. Inflation is the elephant in the room that everyone's talking about. Countries like the US, China, and the UK are drowning in debt, spending mind-boggling amounts just to keep up with interest payments. It's like having a credit card bill that keeps growing no matter how much you pay. Yikes! Some of the world's most successful investors, like Ray Dalio, are turning to gold as a haven. Dalio sees gold as a hedge against potential debt crises and rising inflation. He calls it one of the few good money examples in the financial system. Other experts point out that investors are seeking higher returns to compensate for the risks they're taking. It's not just individual investors who are eyeing gold. Central banks worldwide have bought record amounts of gold in the last 2 years. They want to diversify their holdings and rely less on US dollars as debt grows. This is a powerful signal of gold's long-term potential. So while gold might experience short-term fluctuations, its long-term prospects remain bright. It's a reliable friend that sticks by you through thick and thin. As investors and central banks navigate uncertain times, gold stands tall as a shining beacon of stability and opportunity. If you want to learn more about investing in gold, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.